Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who is using Samsung Android smartphone. I mean to say, if you're using Samsung Android smartphone like A series, M series, J series, F series, any series of Samsung Android smartphone if you're using and your phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password lock, then after if you're thinking that you will have to visit the service center to unlock your smartphone, then don't worry at all. Here I am going to give you some special tips and tricks by which you can unlock your Samsung Android smartphone. Okay, when your phone is locked, then after you will have to hard reset of your Samsung Android smartphone, and when your hard reset will be complete, then after when you will switch on your smartphone, you will get a such type of display here. When you will go with this page, you will stuck in this page. Here it will ask your Gmail ID and password. This is known as Google security codes, and it's also known as FRP lock. Okay, so here you can see here there is no any skip button is showing on this page. So from here how you can skip this page, I will give you some tips and tricks by that you can skip this page. But if you have your Gmail ID and password, then you may feed that Gmail ID and password and go through this page and you will bypass this page. But if you don't have, then I am going to give you some tips and tricks by which you can bypass this FRP lock. Okay, so before starting this method, I would like to tell you something, that your batteries should be a minimum of 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your Samsung Android smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, make sure that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise, you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. So you can see here, simply you will have to go to the previous page and you will have to come on this page. This page name is welcome page. Here you will get a three type of option. You can see here the first one is showing here your language, the second one is the start button, and third one is showing here your emergency call option. Okay, so let's start this method. Okay, so firstly you will have to change here. Firstly you will have to change your language. You will have to select the language from English UK. Then after you will have to go to the OK option here. Now after that you will get an option of emergency call. You can see here. Here you will have to tap here on the emergency call. When you will tap on this emergency call, your phone's dialing pad will be switched on. Here you can see here. Now here you will have to use some special codes to bypass here. Okay, so that code is *#0 *#. When you will click on this USSD code, you will get a such type of display. You can see here. Here you will get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option that is showing here version. Simply you will have to click on this version option, and when you will click on this version option, you will get a such type of display. Here you will get a lots of version. It will show on your phone display. You will have to wait here for 5 seconds, and when your 5 seconds will be done, simply you will have to go with the back button. Okay, now after that you can see here there is another option that is showing here, sensor option, that is showing here in the middle of the space. Simply you will have to click on this. When you will click on this sensor option, it will synchronize for some times, but here you will have to stay here for 5 seconds minimum, and maximum there is no limit. After that simply you will have to go with the back button. Okay, now here all the setup has been done. Now after that you will have to click on this start option. Okay, now you will have to check all these options and go to the agree here. Okay, now after that here you will have to go to the agree option here. Now after that when you will come on this page, here you will have to start your phone's talkback option, and for this simply you will have to press the power button and the volume up button. For the 5 seconds you will have to press and hold and release to switch on your phone's talkback options. So I am going to do this. You can see here, press and hold for 5 seconds, then release here, release. Now you will have to click on this use. Again you will have to do the same here and release. Now after that you will have to draw a opposite L here. Now after that you will have to click on this while using the app, double tap. You will have to, now you will have to double tap on this use voice command. Open Google Assistant, open settings. When your setting option will be appear on your phone display, simply you will have to switch off your talkback option, and for this again you will have to press the power button and the volume up button, same for the 5 seconds. Then release. Now you can see here the talkback option has been switched off. Now after that, simply you will have to do some settings here, and for this simply you will have to scroll down your on this display, and you will have to reach to the option that is showing here, software update. Simply you will have to click here on the software update option, and you will have to click here download and install for 5 times. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the back option. Now you will have to click on this general management option. Now here you will have to do some settings. Simply you will have to firstly you will have to click on this reset option. Okay, you will have to reset here. Now after that you will have to come on this Samsung keyboard setting. Simply you will have to click on this. Now here you will have to select the language option, language and types. You will have to select here. Then you will have to tap here to the manage input language. Now here you will have to select all the English whatever showing on the display. The English is showing here from UK. You will have to tap here English US and go to the back option. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the back here again. Now from here all the setting has been done. Simply you will have to go to the back option. Now after that again you will have to go to the back. Now after that you will have to go to the option that is showing here user manual, and you will have to go to the back here, and you will have to go to the option that is showing here lock screen. You can see here simply you will have to go to the screen lock option here. Now here you will have to scroll down. Now you will get two options that is showing here face recognition and fingerprint. Okay, simply you will have to click on this face recognition option. When you will click on this face recognition option, you will get a pop-up that will show here continue. Simply you will have to click on this continue option. Now after that you will have to click here on the continue option continuously 5 times, 3, 4 and 5. Now after that you will have to go to the back option here. Now again you will have to go to the fingerprint option, and you will have to do the process same. You will have to click on this continue option 5 times, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, now all the things has been done. Now after that you will have to go to the back option here. Now after that you will have to go to the option that is showing here Samsung account, but there is nothing is showing here, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to go to the back option here, and okay, now all the things has been done here. Now after that simply you will have to go to the back here, and you will have to close here. Okay, now all the setups has been done. Now some more setup you will have to do with your smartphone. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the back option here, and you will have to switch off this nearby device option. And again you can see here is also a single nearby option is showing here. You will have to switch off here. Now go to the agree option here. Now after that you will get an option here that is showing here add network. Simply you will have to click on this add network option here. Now after that you will get an option that is showing here settings. Simply you will have to click on this setting option. Okay, now all the language has been showing here, that is English India, English UK and English US. Okay, but one more thing you will have to change here, that is showing here text shortcut. Okay, simply you will have to click on this text shortcut option, and you will have to click on this add option plus option. Now here you will have to type here all Samsung. Okay, and the second would be www.frp bypass toolkit.com. After that you will have to click on this add option. Now you will have to go to the back option here. Again you will have to go to the backs. Now all the setups has been done. Now after that simply you will have to go to the start page. Okay, now you will have to go to the start option here. You will have to check all these options and go to the agree, go to the more. Mark my word, you don't have to switch on these both options that is showing here nearby device, and you will have to go to the agree here. Now after that you will have to click on this next. you will have to click on this don't copy option. So you can see here bypass here FRP lock has been bypassed. You can see here you are getting here a skip option. It means now you don't have to remember your Gmail ID and password. Now you can easily bypass this page and switch on your phone. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this skip option and click on again here skip option. Go to the more and accept here. If you want to use new pin pattern or password, you may use from this page, but right now I will go with this skip option. But one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, if your phone is unlocked with the help of this method, then make sure within 1 hour you will have to use new pin pattern or password lock. Otherwise, whatever your previous log will be activated. Okay, so make sure be careful and within 1 hour use a new pin pattern or password lock. Okay, go to the next. Skip this page. So you will get a pop-up that's you're all set up, and you will get a pop-up of finish. So simply you will have to click on this finish option. Now your phone is ready and your all the locks has been removed. Okay, so you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone which was locked due to forgotten pin pattern or password locks and FRP locks. You can see here all the locks that has been removed here, and you can see here the main thing is that you can see here all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was not logged, showing as it is as in my smartphone. You can see here like Josh, Zest Money, Vizoos, all the applications are showing here. So this is very useful methods for those customers who don't want to visit any service center, and if you don't want to lose your smartphone data, you may use this option to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in next video. If you also want to know how to bypass your FRP, okay, so make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of comments. Thank you so much.